It's been 20 days on foot, from the quiet hills to this moment. I had already walked more than 450 kilometers from the León port. My feet were tired, but my soul was heavier than I expected. But on day 20, I arrived in León, a big city, a short pause, a taste of comfort after days of walking through endless fields. We smiled, we wandered the streets, we laughed in cafes. For a moment, we looked like the ordinary travelers, not pilgrims. But deep inside, we knew we were only halfway there. 350 kilometers still waited for us, and the hardest part hadn't come yet. This day felt like a celebration, but it was also the calm before the storm. The next day, I broke down in tears. But the Camino always waits. Tomorrow, we walk again.